Hey everybody, have a small keychain, key fob to look at today. It's having problems, it's not working right, so I thought it'd be a good one to open up and take a look at. And see, it's got a couple buttons on it, got a little light, see the light's not coming on, a little keychain. So, let me zoom you in on it, and let's open it up. Looks like there's only these two screws in the back. Probably should take that little loop off, but I think I'm just going to leave it and hinge the thing open if that's what'll happen. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Alright. And now we're inside. You can see it's not a normal key fob. This is a covert camera key fob. I actually keep one of these on my keychain. I don't do anything weird with it, but they are convenient. If you need to record something, it's just nice having a little camera you can carry around on your keychain. Doesn't take super great video, but, you know, it's handy. And it was cheap. I think it was like 10 bucks. And lately I've had problems with it charging, so I kind of wanted to check and see if that connector was loose or if it's the wire. I think it's the wire. But also it gives me an excuse to open it up and see what's on the inside. I was always curious. They have a lithium battery in here. Doesn't look like it has a protection. Oh no, it does have a protection circuit. Let's see. 3.7 volt, 160 BAG. I'm guessing that's the milliamp hour. Looks like it's about the size. Then we have the main board. There's a crystal, the micro SD, and 16 gig card I keep in there. And let's take this board out. To me it looks like the USB is okay, but it does have, that is iffy looking soldering. Maybe it is. Well, let's take the board out. We'll get a better view. It has these tiny little Phillips screws. Well, I'm sure you want to look at my hand while I do this. This one just is fighting me. Feels like it's out, but it just feels like it's spinning. Alright, well, let's see if we can prise the board out. Yeah, that screw really, it was just going under it. Alright. So there's the main board. Let's see, let's get that part number exposed. I don't know if anybody will ever actually need that, but now you have it. SD card. See, those are kind of, I don't know, I might just tap them with the iron. And now here's the working side. And I'm positive that's a purpose-built chip. There's some sort of, it looks like an I2C EEPROM, but maybe not. I can't read the number. Okay, that's a serial EEPROM 25S40. And pardon me, this looks like part of the power. Yeah, that's probably part of the charging circuit. Our function buttons, the brain, the camera, the little flat flex just soldered right to the board. Oh, let's keep it in the frame, Frank. And then all the supporting passives, and then there's the LED. When you turn it on, you hold down the top button, if I remember correctly. Nope, bottom button. Okay. So now it's in camera mode. Oh, now there's telling me there's no memory card. Let's try turning it on again, although the battery might be flat. Oh, maybe not. Yep, it took a picture. So, and then to make it do video, I think I hold this down. I hold down one of these. Yep, that's it right there. So now it's taking video. Very grainy video. And that stops it. Or no, that takes a picture. No, it stops it. I'm sorry. Yeah, it goes back to there. And then that turns it off. Yep, there we go. So I'm going to put a small tip on that, on the iron, and then we will, I'm going to touch those up. We'll just get the pointy tip. Alright, so let's get some solder. Now I probably should use the hot air gun for this, but with the camera right there, I really don't want to overheat that area. So instead we're just going to use the micro tip. That tip's nice. The only problem with these tips are they're hard to keep clean because of the differential cooling. The tip definitely cools off faster than the rest because of the lack of thermal mass. But, you know, this is a Weller, so it works. Actually, let me hit this all with some flux. Let's just see if that works by itself. Sometimes you can just... Nah. Man, this is ugly. Oof. I just bridged one pretty poorly. Or pretty badly. There we go. Alright, let's not do that again. And what it is, it's the original solder is so bad. There we go. Gotta rub, there's like a crust on it. And my iron wasn't tight. Ooh, not good, Frank. See, it felt a little floppy. Alright, that'll work. I'm happy with that. Pretty sure that will take care of it. Here's the charging cable. Let's just see if the charge LED comes on. Much better. Much better. Before, if I did that, it would kick in and out. So it did have some bad solder. So I did have a real reason to open it. Well, there you go. It kind of proves it. Always take things apart. Well, as usual, thanks for watching.